All right, so I was outside just checking on my cannas just to see how they were doing, and I saw all these holes in one of the leaves. So I looked it up, and one of the culprits of this could be leaf rollers. Now, these are caterpillars, so I just look under the leaves. You're looking for curling leaves. That's what they like to hide in. And as I'm looking, I didn't find any of those, but I found all of these snail shells. So I'm assuming that this is what's been crawling up into my leaves and eating the holes in them. Slugs, snails, stuff like that can also do that kind of damage. But also, as I'm looking at this, a bunch of aphids flew out from underneath the leaves. But right here, I'm just rechecking it. Those curled up leaves, those are just the new foliage that's growing. So that's not those leaf rollers right there. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this area, put down some mulch, and I am going to go ahead and put some neem oil on these leaves to get rid of those aphids, and it will actually deter those snails from wanting to eat those leaves. So the first thing you want to do is cut off any of those leaves that you see the holes in and try and get just all the way down to like the very, very bottom of where it's growing and just snip that thing off. So go ahead and spray underneath those leaves, and I went ahead and sprayed my Vitex right here too because I saw some aphids flying around up there while I was working out here, and use a pretty strong stream just to knock those out of your tree. And they're usually not able to find back where they were again after being knocked out. But we're going to go ahead and put some neem oil on these. So what I'm using is this Captain Jackson neem oil. It's all pre-mixed and ready to go. You can get it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to this product in the description and the comments below. And what you're going to do after you spray underneath with your hose, you're just going to spray the front and the backs of those leaves. And you want to make sure you use this either first thing in the morning or after the sun goes down. You don't want to spray this on your cannas when the direct sunlight is hitting them because that could actually damage your plant. We're going to see if this works. I'll let y'all know. Okay, so it's been about 2 or 3 weeks and I don't see any more holes or ragged edges on any of my leaves, and I haven't seen any aphids around anywhere in this area. I did go ahead and clean up the area and I put some mulch down, and after it rains, you're going to want to reapply this and reapply it every 7 to 10 days until you no longer see any of these pests around your little babies. I can't wait for these lilies to bloom. I'll make sure I take a video when they do. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.